So today I'll be showing you how to use split screen mode on your iPad so that you can use two and sometimes even more than two apps at the same time on your iPad. It's basically multitasking on your iPad. So the first thing you want to do is have one of the apps you want in split screen open. So let's say, for instance, I can have Gmail open, and then now I can swipe up to open the taskbar. Just keep that open. Just gently swipe on this little bar, this one right here at the bottom. So just swipe up, and that's going to reveal the taskbar of your iPad. And then what you want to do is, here we have the taskbar icons here, and then here we have the most recently opened apps, and then of course we have the app library. So if the other app you want to open in split screen is not here, then you can just open the app library. That's going to display all the apps, and then you can long press on the app you want to open. So let's say I want to open Discord. So I can long press and then drag the Discord icon, and now you can see I'm still holding it, and then I can place it on the right hand side or on the left hand side of the screen depending on what I want. So let's say I want it on the right. I'll just come here and then release it there, and that's going to automatically open that app in split screen, as you can see. So now we have my Gmail app on this side and Discord on this other side in proper split screen mode. Now if I just swipe up on this little bar at the bottom to reveal the taskbar again, believe it or not, I can even add a third application. So let's say I long press on the Photos app and then drag it. I can place it dead in the center, and what that does is it actually brings the app on top. This app can be slid to the side, and I can continue using these two apps, as you can see, and I can bring it back up whenever I need it. And I can even go ahead and add another application. So let's say the calendar application. Just hold and drag, release it in the center, and it's going to be added to that list of apps. Okay, so now you can see that app is there. We have that one, and then if I swipe, I can bring it to the right hand side and use all these apps. Okay, so that is basically how to use split screen multitasking on your iPad. Now if I have two apps in split screen and I want one app to occupy more space, I can use this slider in the middle, this divider, and use it to drag either to the right or to the left to change how much space each of the apps should occupy. So if I go this way, like that, I can have Gmail occupying more space, and if I want Discord to occupy more space, just use the slider in the middle and do it like that. So that is basically how to use apps in split screen on your iPad. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.